In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital journal using Notion or Canva. Whether you're a seasoned journal keeper or just starting out, digital journaling is a fantastic way to organize your thoughts and keep track of your daily life. Plus, it comes with the added benefits of being easily accessible and customizable. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can use these two powerful tools to create your very own digital journal. First, let's talk about Notion. If you're not familiar with it, Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. To start your digital journal, head over to your Notion homepage. You'll find Notion AI in the left side menu. This feature is incredibly useful, as it can automate much of the setup process for you. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Digital Journal. Here, you can add any additional prompts or ideas you have for your journal. Give it a moment, and Notion AI will generate a digital journal template tailored to your needs. Once it's ready, open your new digital journal. Now, you have the freedom to customize it to your liking. You can add pages, change colors, or even integrate other Notion tools to make it as personalized and functional as possible. Next, let's turn our attention to Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that's perfect if you want your digital journal to be visually stunning. Begin by navigating to the Canva website. Once there, head over to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Digital Journal. You'll be presented with a wide array of beautifully designed templates to choose from. Browse through and select the one that resonates with you. After selecting a template, click on Customize this template. This will open up Canva's design interface where you can start personalizing your journal. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your aesthetic preferences. Additionally, you can add images, stickers, or any other elements to make your journal truly unique. Remember, the key to a great digital journal is making it your own. Both Notion and Canva offer extensive customization options, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore different styles and features. Whether you prefer the structured and functionality-focused environment of Notion or the creative and design-rich platform of Canva, both are excellent choices for creating a digital journal that reflects your personality and meets your needs. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you feel inspired to start your digital journaling journey with these fantastic tools. Happy journaling, and I'll see you in the next video.